Someone stole the sausage.
Robin! Robin! No, Robin! Robin!
Plastic Justice Squad!
There's nothing like a little home cooking to relax one's mind. However, today's adventures in culinary delights are about to spoil.
Most people don't realize that there isn't a secret ingredient to an amazing pizza. There's two. Two types of cheese!
I do enjoy this earth dish, don't you, Robin?
Yeah, it's my favorite. Say, Starfire?
Yes, Robin?
You know, I was wondering, and you could totally say no, but would you wear my cape?
Oh, my Robin, I mean, you mean so much to me, but I don't know. It's a big step.
Oh yeah, you're right. So silly. I mean, who needs to do all that? It's just like, silly and all that. I'm gonna just go get the pepperoni sausage. Can't have pizza without pepperoni sausage. Bye!
Starfire, will you grab some oregano?
Sure thing, robotic flying machine man.
For the 12th time, call me Tony.
Would you wear my cape? Ugh, you're so lame, Robin. It's alright. Just play it cool, man. Just pretend like it never even happened.
Where is that oregano? No. Ah, I found you, oregano. What is this string? No! What's going on? Help! Help!
Where's my oregano, Starfire? Starfire? Starfire?
Help!
Robin, we've got trouble.
Huh? Starfire!
Don't worry, Starfire. We'll save you.
Hurry, robotic flying machine man! This thing is filling up fast!
For the 13th time, Tony, my name is Tony. I have to shatter the glass. Swim clear, Starfire.
What?
I said I have to smash the glass. Look out.
What?
Never mind.
Whoa!
Are you all right?
I'm fine. Wait, where's Robin?
He's getting the sausage.
What sausage?
Someone stole the sausage.
Robin! Robin! No, Robin! Robin!
What kind of diabolical plot is this? Shredder?
Robin, the boy wonder. You're lucky the evil trolls took pity on you. I will not be as generous.
I'm not scared of you.
That's because you are a fool. Load the sausage. Yes. Soon, no one will be able to stop me from taking control of New York City. And for those that dare stand in my way.
That's crazy. It'll never work.
I miss him.
Don't fret, Starfire. Robin's as tough as they come.
I never got to tell him how I felt. I was just too scared.
As long as we don't give up hope, there's still a chance to save him.
Thanks, Tony.
For the 14th time... Oh, wait. You're welcome. Wait a minute. Look! Evil troll hair. And who runs the evil sewer trolls these days?
Shredder.
Turn that boy wonder into a hot dog.
Boo. Write better jokes.
Quiet.
Lunch is canceled.
Looks like no one can stop me.
You are incorrect with that statement. Ha! Evil trolls. Take this. Ha! Who's got sausage for brains now?
Ew, why do I have the taste of mesquite barbecue in my mouth?
Robin! Oh,
Starfire!
Robin! Oh, I was scared I'd never see you again.
Hey, nice cape. Looks good on you.
Bring us another piece, Tony.
Coming right up. That's you, Shredder.
Oh, this is so embarrassing. And so, Today's tale of pizza parties and sewer soirees comes to a close. But fear not, gentle children, more adventures are sure to come.